Today I want to show you how to quickly remove the background from an image with Canva AI. One thing to note from the beginning is you will need to have paid Canva to do this. I believe any paid level will work because we just have I forgot which plan it is, but it's the lowest paid plan, I believe. But anyway, you go to canva.com and it will likely open to this templates page. Even if it doesn't, it's not a problem. You're not staying here for long. What you want to do is go on the left-hand side and click on Create. And then you want to go down to Upload. Now you're going to either upload files, or if you have a whole folder of images, and upload your folder, or you can just drag and drop your picture here. I will drag and drop. So here's my image. I got it from Pexels. It's just a stock image site, and I'm going to use it in a new design. I will just do custom because again, I'm not really going to keep those. This is actually too big. Over 8,000 is going to be too big, so I'll change the size. And yeah, it even tells me here it has to be at least 40 pixels and it can't be larger than 8,000. So this is too big. So I'll just do 500 by 500. You can change it to whatever size you want. The whole point is to get it to this screen where you can edit. And once you're here, if you click on the image, then you get this menu up top. And now what you want is this BG remover. It's background remover. And a little crown, it means you have to have a paid plan. I think you can do it. I forgot how many times. I think you can do it once. I think it's once per day if you have a free plan. So if you have a free plan and you want to try this, try it. I think you can do it once per day. But anyway, click on the image, you get the menu, and then you just click on BG Remover and give it a second. And in theory, yeah, background goes away. Now, if you've ever done this manually, you will know how impressive that is. Like this, you can definitely do this manually, but I challenge you to do it that fast and that accurately. Like that's really good, and now we're done. So now with that, you can stay in Canva and edit and do other stuff. You can go to background generator and put a new background. Anything you want to do with editing. One other thing to note, this background is not transparent. If you want it to be transparent, you can download it as transparent. And if you go to share and then download, make sure you select transparent background. And then when you download it, open it in whatever, it will then have a transparent background. But if you don't select that, it will have, I believe it just goes with a white background. So this is not actually transparent yet. That's it. That's the entire process. So just to recap everything, you go to canva.com and then you click on create and you go to upload, and then you select your image or you drag and drop your image in and you click on it to get your menu. You go to BG, background remover, give it pretty short, like it's usually that quick. It's usually like less than 5 seconds, and it will take out your background, and then you can either use the image within Canva or you can download it by going to share, download, and then if you want the background to be transparent, you just click on transparent background. That is it. Try it out, see what you think, and see you next time.